Hi everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and as you can see my table is already a mess. I have a feeling this painting is going to be messy. Right now my base is Amsterdam Black, I think it's Lamp Black, and Payne's Gray by Creative Inspirations. I mixed these two colors together. It's probably more black than it is Payne's Gray. And then my other three colors are this Pebeo Iridescent Blue Black. It is really cool color. And then I have two pearl colors. I have Amsterdam Pearl Violet, and then the other color is Amsterdam's Pearl Green. This is going to be an open cup. I haven't done one in a while, so I'm excited. So, wish me luck. Oh, before I forget, the base is mixed with mix right here. The rest of the colors have Floetrol and Water and GAC 800, but this mix I wanted to try as just the base. I think it's going to have some cool effects. If you're interested in buying that, I will have the link to the email address of where you can purchase it. I can't wait to see what this looks like when it dries, because this is the purple Pearl by Amsterdam. Here's the green. You can already see the green popping up. So I have really high hopes for what this looks like, and if this turns out as cool as I think it's going to be, I'm going to have to do like 4 more. I love that I have a little bit of negative space right here. I think that's perfect, because I didn't want it to be too busy, which I was a little worried about with the mix pour, because it's so awesome at creating these really cool effects that can look like giant cells like these. It's a really cool product, and I only put it in 1 paint, so I really cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. All right, hope this dries like this. Stay tuned.